Recreational Power Sports coming at you with a new Avalon here. So this one here is a Venture 2380 CRB. I'm going to go through with you guys top to bottom and inside and out and show you what it's all about. So first thing you're going to notice here, we got a matched Shoreland'r trailer. It's got the brakes on it, as you can see here. Tongue jack. You got the nice winch stand here, as well as the steps to get in and out of the boat. It is a rock guard material, so in theory, any rocks that hit it should just bounce off and not create any rust. The outside of the boat here, you're going to notice we got a full blackout package. So that consists of the rub rails, the corner caps, the top rails, as well as the Bimini top. We got some upgraded headlights here with docking lights as well as the navigation lights. It's the charcoal / silver kind of color, really sharp looking. So we come alongside the boat here, you're going to notice we got the blue underglow lights underneath the rub rail there. Really makes it pop. Blacked out Avalon logos. And we get to the back here, it's got the Platinum Edition badging, which consists of a bunch of components inside. I'll show you that when we get there. The back here, we've got ourselves a nice 2-foot swim platform, patio pad. So basically you could jump off here, use a diving board, do whatever you want, but a lot of the room back here to do all of your activities. The back of the boat, we got ourselves a 4-step boarding ladder. Squeaks a little bit, but it is ready to go and it folds, so it's nice and easy to get in and out of the water here. We've got a ski pylon here, tow bar, so you could do all your water sports up there, skiing, tubing, wakeboarding, all that stuff. We got this also paired nicely with a Yamaha 90 horse SHO VMAX. So this is the upgraded 90 horse with a little more oomph. The last thing you're going to notice here is we got load guides alongside the inside of the tune here that go from the back of the tune all the way to the front of the tune. It's in place just to help you load and unload the boat nicely at the launch. If you want to follow me inside, I'll show you what the interior is all about. In the interior here, you can see what we got going on. So we got some really nice coloring going on, nice flooring and stuff. I'm going to go through with you guys. So first thing you notice, the seats are composed of a tritone color. So we got the silver with a charcoal and then a blue accent, which really pops here. Matches kind of the outside of the boat as well. Underneath the seats, patented to Avalon, is the custom aluminum frames. So we don't have the rotocast tubs. So you get a lot more room, a lot more breathing, keeps everything nice and dry underneath the seats. Next thing you notice is we got the blue ice package, which is the speakers, the toe kicks, as well as the cup holders. Nice little feature we got going on. We also add the stainless steel cladding inserts in here just to make it pop a little bit more as well. Comes with an interior light. Turn it on and off. Right here we have ourselves a USB and a Type-C charger right there. Opposite side right here with pop-up storage. So you can see there, lots of room. Add whatever you need in there. We also have a side entry, so you could enter and exit off the dock, another boat, whatever you need to do there. Just a nice little convenience back here. At the main helm here, you're going to notice we got an upgraded chair with armrests. It swivels and slides as well. And at the main helm, you're going to see we got Steven's favorite thing, the tilt steering, obviously. Radio, all of your accessories and switches over here. 2 analog gauges for your RPM, your trim, and your fuel. And then we got the built-in Garmin. It's a 5-inch. It's got your temperature, your water temperature, your miles per hour, your voltage, and it's obviously a sonar so that you could do your fishing or whatever else you need. As we come into the back here, you're gonna notice we have ourselves a nice L seating here. There is a table included with this boat, so we could put it here or in the front or anywhere. So as you purchase the boat, we can install a table for you wherever you would like. Underneath this cushion, we have ourselves a little trash can, so keep all your garbage out of sight and out of mind. And at the back of the boat here, this is the best part of the whole boat in my opinion. We got the rear entry gate, okay? As well as at the back here, this is the CRB, the cruise rear bench. So we got the nice big bench back here, So hang out, do whatever you want, watch the kids jump off into the lake, fish, or just relax and hang out. So as you can see, the best part of the boat, I should say. Got some cup holders back here and some storage. Ski pylon, like I said. And it's got the nice big patio pad, so you got lots of room back here. So this boat includes the boat, the motor, the trailer, a mooring cover, the Bimini top as you can see here, and it is all ready to go. So if you have any questions about this boat or any others, check us out online, recreationalpowersports.com, or come on down to the dealership. I'd be happy to show you.